1. Tesla's Q2 2025 earnings call. Key insights and future prospects. 2. Should you buy Tesla stock before July 23rd? Tesla investor update. 1. Tesla's Q2 2025 earnings call. Key insights and future prospects. Get ready for an insightful dive into Tesla's upcoming earnings call. As we approach the second quarter of 2025, anticipation is building around what insights and developments Tesla will unveil during their earnings call. With Q1 proving to be quite a challenge for the automotive giant, it seems the tides are beginning to shift, and Q2 has shown signs of improvement in sales. However, there's still a considerable distance to cover before we see the company back on its feet. One of the most appealing aspects of these earnings calls is the accompanying question and answer session. This is often where we gain valuable knowledge about Tesla's future enhancements in software and the launch of new vehicles. Topics we might hear more about include developments in full self-driving, FSD, technology, the much-anticipated Robotaxi service, or the release of the more affordably priced vehicle model. Moreover, we should not overlook the newly announced six-seater Model Y, affectionately dubbed the Model YL. A hint of potential price adjustments regarding FSD was also dropped during the last earnings call, making it an intriguing topic for future discussions. A closer look at Tesla's Q2 performance. Tesla has already revealed its production and delivery figures for Q2 2025, showing an increase from Q1, though the numbers still trail behind those from the previous year. Here's a brief snapshot of the production and delivery stats so far. Model 3/Y. Production, 396,835 units. Deliveries, 373,728 units. Model S, X, and Cybertruck. Production, 13,409 units. Deliveries, 10,394 units. Total. Production, 410,244 units. Deliveries, 384,122 units. How to get your questions heard. For Tesla shareholders eager to engage with the company, submitting questions for the Q&A segment is a unique opportunity. Only verified shareholders can propose their questions, which will then be subject to a voting process. To participate, you need to connect your brokerage accounts to the SAY platform. Once you're verified, you can log in to either share your own question or cast your vote on others' queries. For those looking to get in on the action, here's the link to submit your queries for Tesla's Q&A session. Remember, the deadline for submitting and voting on questions is July 23, 2025, at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Most frequently asked questions. It's no surprise that the community has already started submitting intriguing questions, and here are some noteworthy examples. 1. What details can you share regarding the performance of Robotaxis? And what are your expectations for expansion in terms of the number of vehicles, areas of operation, and cities involved? 2. What significant technical or regulatory challenges remain before we can expect unsupervised FSD for personal vehicles? And what is the timeline for resolving these? 3. Could you provide an update on the tasks that Optimus is executing at present? And what are the anticipated timelines for scaling its production for outside sales? How does Tesla foresee Optimus contributing to its revenues over the next 2 to 3 years? 4. Is there any information on the development and release schedules for Tesla's more budget-friendly models? How will these models manage cost efficiency while ensuring profitability, especially in today's economic landscape? 5. Will there be any updates for HW3 users regarding retrofits or upgrades? Should they expect HW4 or an upcoming HW5 version? 6. What's the time frame for customer vehicles to start getting unsupervised FSD? Additional engaging questions have also emerged. Have any significant milestones for Optimus changed for this year or the next? Will we see thousands of Optimus units operating within Tesla factories by year-end? Are front bumper cameras going to become a requirement for unsupervised FSD? If so, how does the company plan to retrofit vehicles that lack them? Can we anticipate a new AI day focused on explaining the advancements made by the Autopilot, Optimus, and Dojo/Chip teams over the last few years? The information surrounding HW4 is still somewhat sparse. Earnings call essentials. Mark your calendars. Tesla's earnings call will occur on Wednesday, July 23rd, at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. In the meantime, while an access link has yet to be shared, rest assured that we will provide the necessary information on our platform in a timely manner. Don't worry if you miss the live session. We plan to offer a comprehensive recap of the highlights and key takeaways from the call. Stay tuned for updates by subscribing to our newsletter to keep informed about the latest developments in Tesla news, new features, and software enhancements. 2. Should you buy Tesla stock before July 23rd? Tesla Investor Update. Is it time to invest in Tesla before the crucial July 23rd update? Boldly stepping into the world of stock investments can sometimes feel like navigating uncharted waters, especially when it comes to tech giants like Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA. With an upcoming investor update scheduled for July 23, 2025, many are wondering if now is the golden moment to buy Tesla stock. Let's dive deeper into why this date holds such significance and whether it's a wise move to invest right before. Please note that the stock prices referenced were afternoon prices from July 13, 2025, and this analysis was published on July 15, 2025. But here's where it gets controversial. What if we told you that there's a second chance at a potentially lucrative opportunity that many investors might overlook? This isn't just any ordinary chance. It's a rare occasion where our seasoned team of analysts issues a double-down stock recommendation for companies poised for significant growth. If you've ever felt like you've missed the boat on investing in some of the most successful stocks, then pay close attention. Let's take a look at the numbers, which speak volumes. Asterisk NVIDIA. If you had invested $1,000 when we first issued our double-down recommendation in 2009, your investment would have grown to a staggering $444,437. Asterisk Apple. A $1,000 investment in 2008, following our advice, would have netted you $39,897 today. Asterisk Netflix. Imagine turning your $1,000 into $674,281 by investing in 2004 based on our Double Down alert. Right now, we're unveiling Double Down alerts for 3 exceptional companies. By joining Stock Advisor, you'll gain access to these recommendations, and it may be a long time before such an opportunity arises again. Discover the 3 stocks. Stock Advisor returns as of July 14, 2025. And this is the part most people miss. While investing in stocks can be a thrilling adventure, it's crucial to remember that every investment carries its risks. Parkav Tatevasian, a CFA and member of our team, doesn't hold any position in Tesla or the other stocks mentioned. However, the Motley Fool does have positions and recommends Tesla. As always, transparency is key, and the Motley Fool adheres to a strict disclosure policy. Parkav Tatevasian is affiliated with the Motley Fool and may receive compensation for promoting its services. Should you decide to subscribe through his referral link, he'll earn a commission that supports his channel, but rest assured, his opinions remain entirely his own and are not influenced by the Motley Fool. It's important to note that the views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily align with those of Nasdaq Incorporated.